Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification on your iPhone. So let's start. First open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Scroll down again and tap on audio or visuals. Here at the bottom you will see the option LED flash for alerts. Turn that on. After you turn it on, you will see the flash on silent feature is automatically turned on. This feature enables flash notification whenever your phone is on silent mode. You can disable it if you want to, or you can keep it like this. And that's how you can enable flash notification on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.